Prodex premium products were developed to meet the highest quality standards and maximum thermal performance. ESD and ESW product families are verified by ASTM. ESD and ESW product families are verified by ASTM. Prodex adds an extra layer of credibility to its products by submitting them to the ASTM Rima International Verification Program. By having a third-party verification, Prodex assures its clients that the premium ESD and ESW line complies with the requirements established by ASTM C1224. The installation method of the ESW product supported with a steel strap is described next. Site preparations. Set the scaffolding and ladders in the right direction to access the roof structure from the inside. Before installation, verify that you have Prodex Premium, a steel strap, strapping tool, steel fixed screws, and a hot air gun. This last one will be needed to seal the roll's lateral overlap. Place the end of the strap at the height of the roof structure and position it in the center of the distance between supports. The separation between each strap should not exceed 4 feet. Fix the end of the strap to the steel purling with the screw and drill. Advance with the steel strap through the structure until reaching its final rafter. Once you complete the strap trajectory, it will be necessary to tighten the strap end using the strapping tool until you obtain a straight line between rafters. Carefully place the Prodex Premium roll on the first anchor point. Lay the insulation over the first strap. Pull the insulation along the structure above the strap run. Attach the insulation edge to one of the ends of the structure with a metal strap and screws. Once the roof section is covered, tighten the Prodex insulation line. Then fix the second edge to the other end of the structure. Repeat steps 8, 9, and 10 for the other rolls until the entire roof area is covered. Align the insulation product to ensure proper installation and even overlaps. Once the insulation placement is finished, seal the lateral overlap with either adhesive, aluminum tape, or a hot air gun in the case of 8 and 10 mm foam core thickness. Inquire about our ESD and ESW family products, which are easy to install, ensure high thermal resistance values, and meet the safety and quality requirements established by ASTM. The ESD and ESW family products are the perfect balance between thermal performance and human safety.